Calming Habitat Diaries welcomes you. Today is a overcast day and it is starting to rain. It is our first spring rain. Drive in spring rain. It is raining now. It is raining. Drive in spring rain. As the road opens up, you can see spring flowers on both sides of the road. Spring flowers in trees and shrubs everywhere on both sides of the road. Drive in spring rain and watching spring flowers and blooms in the trees reveal during this drive. Beautiful drive and beautiful time of the spring. And it is the first rain of the spring today. And it is starting, just starting. It's going to be heavy rain today. Have a nice